Wagwan, what's Gucci, what's Gucci, Adibas, Kappa with a single P, sportswear fashion, you're welcome. You now know fashion in Mudurwa. It's been a minute since we did a fashion related video, and today I'm super excited to be sharing this. Like on some other level, it's about one of the best things I've ever owned. It's a leather jacket. And why leather jacket? Like why leather jackets? Because leather jackets gives you a bad boy look, you dig? And all the paying ladies out here love a bad boy, right? Right? On this video, I'll share tips on how you can style a leather jacket and give you reasons why you should invest in a good one. I'll start with the reasons, then to the styling bit of it. So let's get to it. For durability purposes, I've had mine for like 2 years. Still fresh, still dope, you dig? Reason number 2 is for attitude, bad boy attitude purposes, you dig? As I stated earlier, ladies love bad boys. Let's not even argue about this. And once you put on something like this, it's a sure way to getting all these pangs, you dig? I'm just saying, you know. And reason number 3, it's a fashion statement. Many people don't wear leather jackets, especially guys. I don't know why though. We neglect leather jackets and trench coats, and they are fashion statements. They've been there since 1900s, 1800s, and they're still exciting. They're not trendy, of course. They're stylish. You dig? Look number one. Look number one, I call it the workaholic. I'm mpenda kazi. For this look, I chose a Chinese collared shirt. I got it, of course, from Gikomba. I'm not sure of the brand, but it's legit. You can pair this with chino pants, either blue or black, and you're good to go to work on a Monday. And don't forget to add in the leather jacket, the biker leather jacket, to look fresh, you dig? Look number 2 is inspired from the 90s, the 80s, the 60s, during that era where we had Bonnie and Clyde. They wore a lot of this with white shirts or white t-shirts. It's very vintage, it's a retro, and it's super dope. Look number 3 is quite chilled. For that reason, I'm calling it a chilling look. No pun intended. It involves a simple hoodie, be it black and supreme, or orange or yellow. Look number 4 is inspired by an era, the hippie era. As you know, hippies are a bit rugged and very freestyle, free spirits. So just put on anything that's a bit rugged, either a shirt on top of a t-shirt, then put on your leather, some cool stuns, and a nice pair of chinos, and you'll be good to go. You'll be super comfy and super easy and chilled. Those are my reasons why you should invest in a good leather jacket and how you can wear it up. Also, if you want a really dope leather jacket, there's a page called RetroKENYA. I run the page. Yeah, this is not a sponsored video, but they have amazing leather jackets. If you need one, just go check them out. Hit the DMs and they'll deliver in good time, you dig? Shukran.